guys, my name is Kamaya. If you're new, scroll down, hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, then you already know the heck is going on, okay? Period. Good morning, guys. So I was able to catch sunrise, I guess. Today I am filming my Sunday reset video. I've already washed my face and brushed my teeth. I haven't taken a shower yet. But I want to get my house cleaned up before I'm able to like relax and really get into resetting, planning. In this video I will be cleaning, doing laundry, cooking dinner, and prepping for this upcoming week, putting things on my Google Calendar, writing in my journal, and just planning content. So yeah, thank you guys for watching in advance. Most of this video will probably be time-lapsed, just because it gives, you know, a vibe instead of me just talking. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. Try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, talk over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around.
Yeah, I am not having a good Sunday right now, and I kind of don't want to do this video anymore. But I need to because it's supposed to be tomorrow's video. But I'm just so like.
You wanna get with me, stop it.
Yeah.
if you want me. Show it. If you need me. Prove it. If you love me. Say it. If you trust me. Do it. If you want me. Show it. If you need me. Prove it. You see now actions speak louder. So don't just say things that I've already heard. I want your body without your soul. I don't want a love who will come here and go. Nothing but right if right now you decide that you are not ready to settle down. But if you want my heart, then it's time that you start to act like you're mine in the light and the dark. If you love me, say it. If you trust me, do it. If you want me, show it. If you need me, prove it. If you need me, say it. If you trust me, do it. If you want me, show it. Prove it. If you love me, say it. If you want me, baby, I will do what you want me to do. Yes, prove it. Oh, baby, sweet baby, you better give me show it. Prove it. I wanna touch you, baby, and spread my love all around you, honey. And if you can, you gotta show it, baby. True love will shine. Show it. Prove it. Say it. Do it. Show it. Prove it. Oh, baby. Say it. Oh, baby. Do it. My sweet baby. Show it. My sweet baby. Prove it. My sweet baby. Do it.
Okay guys, so it's hours and hours later. I did my hair for this week. I just did like a braided ponytail with some little curls or whatever. Now I'm about to cook dinner. I'm cooking chicken, Brussels sprouts, mac and cheese, and cornbread. So yeah, after that, then I'll be content planning, putting things on the schedule, and then that'll be the end of this vlog. Let me show you guys my hair real quick because I haven't taken this scarf off since I did it, so hold on. So this is what my hair is giving for this week. It's still wet, which is why I have my scarf on, and I don't plan on taking it off till tomorrow. But yeah, this is the hairstyle for the week. Hopefully it lasts the week, but yeah, I'm about to put my scarf back on and finish this video.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.